back with another shoe review. This one is a little bit early, just a few hours early. It's coming out today at 7 o'clock in the morning, or tomorrow, 7 o'clock in the morning. But let's get to it. We got the Jordan 12s, dark Concord black. Take a look at the box here. Different color box. We thought we were gonna see. I thought it might have been like, you know, lately Jordan's been coming out with that kind of black box with the Jumpman. This one has that kind of recycled paper, cardboard look, orange side. Go on the back. Quality inspired by the the greatest player ever. So, MJ. I don't know about being the greatest player ever. Debatable. Well, you know, we talk about that later. Hey, shout out to the world champs, man. I keep saying in my video, shout out to the world champs. Man, here you go. Spinning around for you. So I'll say this, y'all. Like, I wasn't too high on this shoe. Still kind of not. But when you get them in hand, it's a different story. So if you wasn't interested, I would say, you know, if you have a chance, get them anyway, and get them in hand, and then go from there. Especially if you're a 12 person. So if you take a look. Got that suede kind of feel on this part. The leather on the side goes crazy, and the all black bottom. Got the white Jumpman right there on the top. White 2-3 goes down the tongue, and you got the purple, dark Concord purple on the tongue. Now the top shoe outlets right there is you know, kind of like a, what's that, metallic kind of purple, and it matches the Jordan side right there. So that's the kind of reason I'm not rocking with these shoes, because I'm kind of like you know, I'm not explaining it. Like this if it was a different color purple in there, I might have rocked with it. Obviously my squad is the Lakers, and we could have did something with that, but I don't know in there. But you got the inside, if y'all can see that. Yep, Jordan. The back, I always like that about the 12s. Got that back logo. Same dark purple that goes around, but you know, it's not kind of metallic. It's kind of that flat, matches the tongue. So, you know, overall, I think, you know. Oh, my bad, I didn't get you guys on the bottom. Man, focus. I don't want to cooperate with me. Well, he's just looking at my face. All right, but if you see that back, it's kind of like a marble with the stripes that goes down the side or the bottom. So all in all, you know, not a bad shoe at all. Just might not be for my collection, but I would recommend that if anybody, you know, you're interested in it, get on your apps in the morning and try to go grab one so you can just get it in hand. You know, I like the Jordan 12 colorway in hand. Pretty decent, just might not be for me. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Cop or drop. Till then, you know, till next video, take care of yourselves and be safe, y'all.